Hey brother, wanna go out and burst fireworks this new year?
Burst fireworks?
Why? What happened?
Do you not know? Fireworks generate large quantities of concentrated pollutants, which not only harm the environment but increase the risk of lung disease and cancer for humans.
But that's very rare, right? Plus, it doesn't hurt animals.
No, an estimated 5,000 birds die each year due to fireworks in Mumbai alone.
Oh, I didn't know it was that harmful. I guess we can't burst firecrackers this year.
Wrong. With the all-new fantasy fireworks, you can now burst crackers without harming the environment.
So, what is fantasy fireworks?
Fantasy Fireworks is an eco-friendly firework collection which uses a nitrogen-based technology to ensure that the fireworks do not release any pollutants while showcasing a fantastic display of exciting fireworks.
Not only that, but the fireworks also disperse plant seeds while in the air to add to the environmental benefits without any real drawbacks.
And I just checked, the fireworks are at affordable rates too. That's gonna be so much fun.
And although the firework industry has been on a steady decline in the past few years due to environmental laws in India, we are certain these eco-friendly crackers will be accepted everywhere.
So, our team name is Enterprising Entrepreneurs. I'm Siddhanth, and my friends are Nirvaan and Vivaan, and our product we present to you is Fantasy Fireworks. So the problem is that firecrackers cause so much pollution every year. They release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which are harmful to the environment and cause climate change. At the same time, fireworks are a symbol of cult celebration, and that is really important for some religions. This is why we have come up with a better way to celebrate festivals while also being green.
Our modern firecracker is nitrogen-based and has extra perks to it that benefit the environment as a whole. The idea came after Diwali, and we saw eco-friendly firecrackers as a huge market. This way, people can enjoy the religious festivities while benefiting the environment.
So now to come to the point as how we will make money. So we are targeting three main sources to make money. One would be direct wholesale to shopkeepers, which can then sell it to retail, as we feel that most fireworks are burst by the middle class in India, and they would be a good target audience. And another one would be online retail, where we can list ourselves on online platforms such as Amazon. And finally, the fantastic firework, which I earlier described, which also disperses some types of small seeds into the environment, and to make sure that these seeds grow into small plants.
So as Vivaan already said, our target audience is are educated families, but also cultural families that understand the importance of they understand climate change and also are religious. So, and my friend Vivaan already mentioned that local shopkeepers is a very important target audience for us as they can sell it directly.
So now, for to start off with a decent inventory size, we would need 24.25 lakh rupees, which is divided into an inventory of 3,000 fireworks overall, R&D lab testing, marketing to make sure that we have good customers, and other menial costs such as website and patent and more such costs.
Apart from money, we will also need some expert knowledge along with precision to make the first model, as well as mentorship to make sure we reach our goals. A social presence will also be needed to make sure we are noticed and are in a good light.
So the cost price for just one firework would be 330 rupees to manufacture, and we are planning to sell it at 599 rupees. And at this, we're getting a healthy profit of 269 rupees at a very healthy margin. And after our initial marketing campaign, we expect to have 3,000 customers. And as time goes on, we expect to hit 15,000 customers by 2025 if everything goes according to plan.
So our timeline. By Jan 2022, we plan to lab test our prototype, and in April, we plan to make changes according to the lab testing. In June, we plan to start a Kickstarter and also start marketing. By August 2022, we aim to launch our product on all platforms since it is just before the festive season. And by the end of the year in December, we aim to review our progress so we can improve on our mistakes that we made in the year.
Join us in celebrating festivals in the most green way possible.
And now Nirvan will show us a prototype of this made on Blender, a 3D modeling platform.
So first, this is an example of our normal fantasy fireworks. So they will look like this and they'll burst like this. And now to show you the fantastic fireworks. So the fantastic fireworks will disperse seeds as they're going up. And of course, the seeds will stop dispersing when the firework is about to burst. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and we hope that you are interested, and we hope that this was a good presentation.